Hello guys, it's me, Jacob 1F Gamer, and today this is part 4 of trying to find a mythic hat and a giant present. Now before we get on to it, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll heart your comment if you say I subscribed. I would really appreciate it, it'll make my day. Anyway, let's get on with the video. So, first mythic hat, I'm getting a little confused. This video I'm not gonna be talking as much, so I can play some music. So yeah, I'll do that next video in part 5. Let's say if I find it already. Of course, I'll use my editing power to edit parts out. I'm gonna get mythic from here. Yoo-hoo. Bye guys. Do you guys like Pet Simulator X? It's a pretty fun game. I kind of like it. I'll play that more, I'll play it more later. But I don't want to play it now because I'm doing this. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Guys, say 1 in the comments if you think I'm going to get mythic. Make sure you don't watch the video. Just kidding. You should watch the video. If I hear something, I'll tell you. If I hear a godly or a mythical. Even if I hear something I don't really know until I get the hat. Well, I know what the mythic sounds. It goes like this. Dun, 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 no. Bad example there. Okay, guys, so I'll be back when I hear something. Please subscribe, and I'll be back when I hear something. Ooh, I heard something? Yes, I heard something. Oh, can't stand it. I'll be back when I hear something else. That was all. I just did not get a mythic. I'm sad. Next, maybe in part 5, I will get the mythic hat. You guys can see I don't have. I got this. That's awesome. Let's see how much godlies and mythics I can get by part 10. But before I go, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and and I'll be posting a lot. Part 6, part 5 is coming tomorrow. Yeah, hope you guys have a great day.